I'm inside a little fire station, and I think it was part of the police station as well. All behind the fire station is all full of like, old flats for people that used to live here years ago. It's in Newcastle. There's a fire bit there. Nice stained glass window over there. You can see it. These are all the flats. It's all gutted inside new. It's all gonna be made into a hotel. Still nice to get in and have a look at. See if I can get on the roof. Going back into the courtyard. Been through that whole building, absolutely massive. Every single room is empty. Oh, obviously didn't come that way. I think I forgot which way I came. Yeah, shower block. Stairs, more stairs. Time to go a little lower. This way. Small showers. Let's put the showers in. Whoa. Underground bit. It's gonna be good. This is back in the fire station. This is the 3rd floor. All the peel and paint and stuff. Looks pretty good. Still searching for a way to the roof. Completely gutted inside. It's still got a nice outside though. Sash window there. I think I found the way to the roof. Stairs, I think that was the main stairs. Stop. Well, this is the door to the roof. I'll be getting on the roof. Let's put a padlock on with the code. Try 1, 2, 3, 4, doesn't work. Not ready. Not sure what that is, it looks like old cells or something. Giant room. Don't know how good this could be like a bomb shelter or something. Get a picture of that. This looks like the kitchen area. Not in the fridge. This one. Yeah, no. Looks like some old front seats from a fire engine. Looks kind of good. Storage rooms.